What's up, you guys? Another day, another W. Smallest number with all set bits. You're given a positive number and return the smallest number x greater than or equal to n such that the binary representation of x contains only set bits, and 7 is one example, 15 is another one. So I'm actually gonna write a function to check this. So if so this is gonna check if it's a set bit, is gonna return 1, so I'm gonna say if not, then we're gonna return false, and we're gonna shift to the right. Okay, and then if we get to here, then we're gonna return true. Okay, so I'm gonna have an answer set to n, and I'm gonna say if check okay, wait, this is gonna be while not check of ants. So basically if this is false, then it will keep running. We're gonna increment ants, and yeah. Okay. All right, guys, so that's it for that one. Okay. Okay, that was pretty quick. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Keep up the good work. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.